Hello and welcome. I have an important message for homeowners. If you have not had your roof inspected recently, you could be missing out on a free roof replacement. At Spot on Roofing and Solar, we offer free roof inspections to help homeowners identify damage before it turns into costly repairs. Storms, hail, and high winds can weaken your roof without you even knowing. The best part, insurance may cover the full cost of a replacement if damage is found. Here is what we look for during an inspection: missing or cracked shingles, hail or wind damage, leaks or weak spots. If we find storm-related damage, we will help you through the insurance claim process to maximize your coverage. So what do you need? To do it is simple. Contact Spot on Roofing and Solar today to schedule your free, no-obligation inspection. Our experts will assess your roof, provide a full damage report, and guide you on your next steps. Do not wait until it is too late. Damage gets worse over time, and insurance deadlines could expire. Let us help you protect your home with a free inspection today. Call now or visit our website to schedule your appointment. Spot on Roofing and Solar, your trusted partner in roof protection.